Hello! It's bedtime for Mikael and Mama. It's bedtime for us. It's very early still. But because we always wake up early now, so we have to sleep early. Normally I will wake up at about 11. And then sometimes I pick up work again. That really depends. But this boy needs to sleep a full 10 hours. What's that on your hand? Why don't you show? What's that? Laruan. Laruan. Yeah. What's the name of your laruan?
Red.
Red. What's the name? Sordy.
Dirty.
Yeah, that's Sordy. Okay, are you gonna sleep already?
No.
Nope.
Oh.
Why? Mama is very sleepy.
No.
Why no?
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Sino papatulog sa'yo? Sino papatulog sa'yo? Si Era na lang patulog sa'yo.
Baby.
Si baby.
Oh.
Mauuna matulog sa'yo yun.
Hindi yan. Balat tayo.
Ha?
Balat tayo.
Bala?
Oh.
Bala sa'yo?
Oh.
Bakit bala sa'yo? Okay, so lalabas na ako.
Oh.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, din. Sabi mo, si baby magpapatulog sa'yo. Oh, di lalabas ako. Alis na ako, ha?
Hindi.
Oh, sino papatulog sa'yo?
Si Mama.
Eh, nasa mama mo.
Nandito.
Mama, baba ko.
Oh.
Wala akong mama eh.
Meron.
Kasi hindi ka naglilisen eh.
Ma.
Nilisen ka ba?
Oh.
Pag yung bata di naglilisen sa mama, no mama, ano?
Ma.
Hindi rin. Sure ka ba? Nasa mama mo?
Haha.
Okay.
Hello.
Time to say goodnight.
Hey. Hey.
Why?
Hey.
Masakit na yung kamay ko.
Hey.
Oh, awi. Okay, baby. It's time to sleep. Oh. Good night, everyone. Good night. Ay, ko. Okay. How you cry? How you cry? Cry. That's how you cry? Sad face. How you show your sadness? Sad. Why is sad? You still look happy. Please show sad. Okay. Get in the mood, okay? Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Okay. Okay, basta sad face. Set. Mm.
Ano kako?
Okay, okay, hindi. Sad face. Not crying face, sad face. Like like the mouth upside down na that. Bilis. Okay. How you show you're angry? How you show you're angry? Mm, okay. How you show you're happy?
Ah.
How you show you're shocked? How you show you're shocked? How you show you're upset? Okay. You wanna sing anything before you sleep? Okay, what is it?
Hello.
I say you want to sing anything or not? Not hello. You sing something, please.
Hello mo. Hello. Tate. Nalo kako.
Nahulog ka. Bakit nahulog? Saan ka nahulog?
Kapar.
Sa floor. Then, what happened?
Olo.
What happened to your head?
Tama.
Tumama yung head mo? Oh, wow. Sino wawa?
Ako.
Oh, bakit nahulog ikaw? Ha? Kasi never listen. Yeah? So what you need to do so next time you don't fall?
Oh.
Yeah? What you need to do? You must what? Must listen.
Mama.
Yes?
Ano?
Yeah. What color is your laruan? What color is your swordie?
Where?
Red. Oh, what's this?
Oh no.
Okay. We gotta sleep. Good night. Why? It's time to sleep, baby. Okay, good night. Bye-bye. Good night.